In the last few months, I have generated over $30,000 with my own trading strategy. I have had $10,000 months, $20,000 months, and I have even had $50,000 months, and these results have taken about an hour a day of my time. But it wasn't always like that. I have been trading for 7 years. I have had to go through endless challenges to achieve these results, and in my early days, there was not a lot of quality information available on YouTube. That's why I set out to make this video as if it were a gift to me when I was starting on the road of trading. Let's learn the basics for binary options traders. If you want a Forex video, leave me in the comments and I will gladly share it. In this video, I will teach you how to do your first chart analysis and take your first trade. I will also teach you how to use the same tools that I use every day to trade. I will give you a brief real-time example of everything I'm going to teach you, and finally, I will share with you my best psychology tips, which is the most important thing in this world. Let's give you the purpose of trading, and is to make money. To make money in this market, you must have a strategy that allows you to project market movements. You have to know when the market is going to go up or when it is going to go down. In order to make money, so you must identify when it is a good opportunity to buy and when it is a good opportunity to sell. But before I explain that, there is something much more important that I have to make you understand before I go to the more complex part. A chart is a very basic tool that will help you understand the price and time of a financial asset. In the charts, you will be able to evaluate the price of a stock. You will be able to evaluate the price of a currency, an index, or many other financial instruments. Once you know what the charts are, you must learn how to use the tool that allows us to visualize the charts in real time. Before we get started, let's talk a bit about what binary options actually are. In simple terms, binary options are a type of financial trading where the trader predicts whether an asset will go up or down in value. It's called binary because there are only two possible outcomes. You either make a profit or you lose your investment. Interestingly, binary options are unique in the sense that they pay out a fixed amount if your prediction is correct, irrespective of the degree of movement in the price of the asset. Furthermore, binary options trading is appealing to both novice and experienced traders as it requires no significant capital investment to get started. Another advantage of binary options trading is that it is flexible and versatile. Traders can choose from a wide range of underlying assets, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and indices, making it easy to diversify your trading portfolio and manage risks. Ultimately, binary options trading offers an attractive investment option, and traders can significantly profit from the market movements without having to purchase the actual underlying asset. This is the platform of QUOTEX, a binary options broker that accepts traders from the United States. QUOTEX is a regulated and reputable broker that offers a number of features to make your trading experience better. One of those features is the ability to start trading from zero, which means you don't need a large amount of capital to get started, since you can start practicing with a demo account. Inside the platform, we can find many indicators which you can use according to your strategy. In this video, I will show you a strategy that even if you are totally new, you can start using it. You also have this brush, which if you click on it, you can find from horizontal lines if you want to identify supports and resistances, to channels to identify trade zones. Below the brush, we can see the time frame of the candlesticks. The candles are those red and green rectangles that we see on the screen. You can see that it says 30 seconds, but we can see them from 5 seconds up to 1-day candles. You will use this depending on your trading style that you are about to discover and the strategy that you are going to use. Let's continue to see everything inside the platform. Here we can see the type of chart you can use. The most common is the Japanese candlesticks, which are the ones we are looking at, but there are also area and bar charts. Some brokers have linear charts. Again, we can see the indicators that I mentioned before, and it is in this icon in the form of compasses. Each indicator has a specific function. As there are many, this video will not be dedicated to the indicators, although with the strategy that I will teach you, you can understand some of them. At the top, you can see some letters and their flags, these in representation of their currency. For example, we see where it says EUR JPY, which would be euro, with the Japanese yen, and both have their respective flags. This means that we are buying the base currency and the counter currency at the same time. Therefore, when you go long the EUR JPY, you are buying the euro, at the same time you are selling the yen. In the upper right corner, we can see my balance sheet along with the deposit and withdraw buttons. Below them, we can see where it says time. That is where we are going to place the time that our operations will take. We can see that there is from 1 minute up to 4 hours. We can also see the amount we are going to invest per transaction and the direction we will tell this platform that the price will follow. If our prediction is correct, we will be able to earn the percentage that says the currencies we are trading. In this case, the euro yen would be 89% of the amount we invest. If we invest $100, we would earn $89 for the operation. But if we lose, we would lose the $100. This is something to keep in mind. To open a trade, just click on the UP or down buttons depending on the direction that you have previously analyzed with your strategy, the direction that the market would take. Now, if you can see this chart, it has a very big red candle. This does not always happen. It only happens when some financial news impacts the market. Being a fractal chart, it leaves no gaps. This gap we see here is called a gap, and the price will fill it again sooner or later. Keep that in mind because that will help you understand that the market has a memory and will not leave gaps, and that small traders, like us, we must stick to strong trends to make money. Now, let's get to the strategy. For this video, we are going to use a simple strategy, which is the one we use to send signals in my Discord channel, which consists of using 2 simple moving averages. These indicators can be located in the compass icon at the bottom left of the screen. The moving averages will be of periods EMA of 10 and EMA of 30. We will also add the stochastic oscillator with the periods of 14, 3, and 3. The levels will be 70 and 30. We will open a trade only when the moving averages cross each other, and we will do it following the trend. Our stochastic should be an overbought for sales and oversold for purchases. The moving averages inside our stochastic must also cross. Seems complicated, but it is not. You just have to practice every day. Using this strategy will greatly simplify your daily analysis, since it indicates the direction of the trade and the moment we should take the trade. This is very advantageous for beginner traders since you don't focus on volume or liquidity, which are more advanced terms. Open your QUOTEX account using the link below the video and practice what you learned here today. Without practice, you won't make any progress. I hope you liked this video, and I will have a second part where I will give you 3 strategies for novice traders, which will help you to make money with trading. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and see you until the next video.